Hi, this is Jean's Picks for Fun with Photography, and I'm going to show you Photoshop Element 7. At the bottom here you have the documents that you're going to use in the program. It can feel overwhelming, but trust me, it is really easy. I got some examples down here. Drag and drop them up here. Do not drag them into the actual document you're going to put them into, because I'll just put them in there. What I've done here is I've used the Lasso tool, which is this thing here, and I drew around it, and what you do is just click and drag again, and it's just that easy. And if you want to, say, rotate it, you just wait for a certain curvy symbol to show up and you can rotate it. You can also change the size if you want it to be a little bit bigger or smaller, and you can always click accept. But if you ever feel like, oh, I want it to be a little bit more at an angle or something, or you want it to be a little bit smaller, then all you have to do is select it, and you may do so. You'll of course have to be accepting it again, but still, at least you can always change whatever you're working on. I have this picture as well. As you can see, I've already pre-selected all these. I'll do a quick job here. You just go around the outline here of whatever it is you're wanting to put in. You have to click on the arrow button up here in order to drag it. If you try to do it with the Lasso tool on, it will not work. And if you want to, say, take away, you hit Alt, and you can see the minus sign there, and then you just go in and out. Make sure you do that. If you do from the inside, it'll frustrate you that it's not doing anything. Another way you can do this is by using the clone stamp. And I'll show you that with this image here. This is the clone stamp. And you can always change the size through here, making it bigger or smaller, all depending on the file size itself. What you do is you click and hold Alt. If you want to, say, start at the head, click, release Alt, go to the picture that you are using. The nice thing about being able to use the clone stamp is that when you are putting onto the new image, it will show you on the original image where you are on it. So that way you can always keep track of how close you are to however far you want to go. I've already prepared an image, so I will minimize this. And the nice thing about saving it in the Photoshop format is that it will keep the layers. When you use the Lasso tool, it will keep the images in layers, and those are a few things you can do with Photoshop Element 7. This is Jean's Picks for Fun with Photography.